Welcome back to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly report on a change to PayPal that will help you use your PayPal account with no bank account needed. This change will help you withdraw your cash from PayPal into cash in your hand. That cold hard cash money, you will be able to withdraw that from your PayPal account using this method. Before we get into the video, I'd like you guys to do me a favor. I'd like you to smash that subscribe button if you're interested in using PayPal and other online money services, as I have a playlist that I've built for you called the Online Money Playlist, where I teach you how to use these financial tools and these online tools to help you with your money so that you can use your money, transfer your money, spend and get paid money via online services, and even in this case withdraw that money into cold hard cash. Now that you've subscribed, let's talk about this change that has come to PayPal that will allow you to send your PayPal money from your PayPal account into cold hard cash without the need of a credit card, debit card or bank account. This is pure value that will change your life if you're not already using this tool. Let me explain how this is valuable, how this is going to help you, and how this works. This means that any money that you have in your PayPal account, you will now be able to send for a cash withdrawal. These cash withdrawals do not need to be sent to a bank account or an ATM. You can do this at local shops, post offices and other pay points. For example, a local shop near to your location or the location in which you are sending the money. So that means that even if you're living in some coastal rural area, or maybe you're living your best life on a beach, maybe you're living in an industrial very busy city, maybe you're living in an area or a country or a part of a country where a bank account or an ATM is not in close proximity to you, and you need your money in order to pay for something. You need your money so your life can move forward. You need your money so you can pay for a service. Maybe you need that cash in your hand and there is not an ATM or a bank available. Maybe you don't have a bank account. Maybe you don't have a credit or debit card available to you. Well, with this method, you will be able to pick up that cash using identification, and this cash will be sent to a location near you. This can be a location that you have selected using this method. This can be a post office, this can be a restaurant, this can be a cafe, and this could be a public place which is already opted in to this service. A service that does something very similar to this is Amazon. Amazon can send your packages to a local shop and you can pick up your package from that local shop. That is the type of thing in which you are doing when you use this method in order to pick up your cash via PayPal. This is available with most countries that have PayPal available to you. So once you have opened your PayPal account without a bank account, credit or debit card needed, you can then move on to this method in order to send your money into direct cash that you can pick up. Now, different countries have different types of identification, but when you're using this method, you will need ID to prove that you are the person which is receiving the money. You will need to prove that you are the recipient of the money that has been sent. So you will need identification applicable to your country in order to prove that you are that person and you can pick up and receive that money over the cash register or wherever it is that you're picking up the money that the money has been sent to, so that somebody can't basically go to your cash pickup and take your money without you even knowing or without you actually being there to receive the money yourself. But this absolutely opens the door for many of you who are on this YouTube channel, on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. There are thousands of you who comment to me every day and you email me and I receive them and I listen to every single comment and I read every single email, and I'm here to help you along the way. You are not alone, and this is part of what this YouTube channel is about. I'm here to help you, educate you, teach you things not only about your online money, PayPal and other financial services online and offline, and gaming is something that I do on this channel as well, and you can find lots of gaming content on this channel. But there is a playlist that I've built for you called the Online Money Playlist, where you will find other videos on services like PayPal, like this one, and more. Now, if you would like a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this, how to send your PayPal money for a cash pickup. I have a video which I've created that teaches you how to do this step by step. You can follow along with that video, and of course if you have any questions you can always reach me in the comment section down below. As this YouTube channel grows, I also have memberships now available. When you become a member, your comments will be top priority, so I will reply to your comments when you have that membership badge next to your name. This will let me know that you are a high priority member here on this Anthony Allen YouTube channel, but of course you can also subscribe so that you can get notified on content when I upload it here, and any support is very helpful. It allows me to help you more, so when you subscribe to this channel it allows me to help you even more and provide even more value and knowledge that I've accumulated over years, and I am sharing this with you, and this is one of those videos. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You can also check out the video that I have in the end screen, which is coming up in a moment, that will take you through step by step how you can send your PayPal money for a cash pickup. It is using an additional PayPal service called Zoom, spelt XOOM. It's a part of the PayPal family, and when you use the method in which I have taught you in how to use this service and how to send your PayPal money for a cash pickup, you won't have to take any additional steps, and you will go directly through PayPal in order to set up your Zoom account, so that you don't have to go through the headache of trying to create a separate account and connecting it to your PayPal. So that's another piece of value and a reason why you should check out that video, which is in the end screen. With that said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can comment down below if you have any questions, and please subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.